Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Quran with Inam, and this is your teacher Muhammad Inam, and today we are going to learn lesson number 7 of Madani Qaida in English inshallah. And in this lesson we will learn like what is jazm, what is sakin, and how to pronounce a sakin letter, like how sakin letter is read, how many madda letters, what are they, and when they will be madda, and how to pronounce. We will learn all these things in this lesson inshallah. So let's start the rules of lesson 7. Question 1 will be made. If you have a notepad, so I would like to suggest you please write down the questions. If you write down, then you will be able to remember for a long time. So question 1 of this lesson is, what is jazm? So small dal, you can see this sign like green sign, small dal type, small dal type is called jazm. Small dal type sign is called jazm. Question 1, what is jazm? So small dal type sign is called jazm. Question 2, what is sakin? So a letter which has a jazm on. If ba letter has jazm, if ta letter has jazm, if any letter has jazm, so you will call the letter sakin. Okay, so answer will be made. A letter which has a jazm on, sukoon and jazm, these are same names. Okay, a letter which has a jazm on it, it's called sakin, silent letter. So next question, how sakin letter will be read, will be pronounced? So sakin letter will be read with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Don't get confused. I will tell you practically how to apply and use these rules when I will teach you lesson 7. Inshallah I will tell you, inshallah I will teach you properly like how to use these rules. Next question, how many madda letters? How many madda letters and what are they? Madda letters are 3: alif, waw and ya. These are 3 letters and these letters are called madda. Next question, when alif will be madda? So if zabar comes before the alif, if zabar comes before the alif, then alif will be madda. If pesh comes before the waw sakina, like when waw will have jazam on it, then waw will be called sakin. And if you see there is pesh before this waw sakina, then waw will be lean. And when ya, then waw will be madda. If there is pesh before the waw sakina, then waw will be madda, not lean. Next letter ya, when ya will be madda. So if there is zair before the ya sakina, then ya will be madda. Let me give you one example. You can see there is alif and zabar has come before the alif, so that means this alif is madda, right? This waw has jazam on it, so it will be called sakin. That means this is waw sakin and there is pesh before this waw sakina, and this waw is madda, right? And this ya is sakina because this ya has jazam on it, and there is zair before this ya sakina, so that's why this ya is madda now. That alif is madda, waw is madda, ya is madda. This way these letters will be madda. Next question, how madda letters will be pronounced? So madda letters will be stretched equal to 1 alif. 1 alif mean equal to 1 second. 1 alif duration is equal to 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to repeat, like revise all questions again. Listen to me carefully. Question 1, what is jazam? Small dal type sign is called jazam. Question 2, what is sakin? So a letter which has a jazam on it, it's called sakin. Question 3, how sakin letter will be pronounced? Sakin letter is read with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Question number 4, how many madda letters and what are they? Madda letters are 3: alif, waw and ya. Question 5, when alif, waw and ya will be madda? So answer, if zabar comes before the alif, pesh comes before the waw sakina, zair comes before the ya sakina, then these letters will be madda. Last question, how madda letters are pronounced? So madda letters are pronounced, madda letters will be read equal to you will have to stretch madda letters equal to 1 alif mean equal to 1 second. So these are few rules of this lesson, and I hope you have understood. If you couldn't understand any rule, you can ask any question by using my WhatsApp. So let's start this lesson. So there is zabar before the alif. So alif madda. There is pesh before the waw sakina. So that's why this waw is madda. There is zer before the ya sakina. That's why this ya is madda. And we will stretch all madda letters equal to 1 second. We will read one line with spell, one line without spell. This way we will read whole lesson inshallah. Keep revising after me until I complete this lesson. Ba alif zabar ba. Ba wow pesh bu. Ba ya zer bi. Ba bu bi. Ta alif zabar ta. Ta wow pesh tu. Ta ya zer ti. We have read same letter with spelling. Now we will revise same letter without spell. Ta tu ti. Next line without spell. Tha. Remember one thing, tha shouldn't be read with whistle sound. You will have to read tha letter without whistle sound. Tha thu thi. Ja ju ji. Next letter is ha. Ha alif zabar ha. Ha wow pesh hu. Ha ya zer hi. Ha hu hi. Next letter is musta'aliya, so that's why you have to read with thicker voice. Kha alif zabar kha. Kha wow pesh khu. Kha ya zer khi. Kha khu khi. Next line will be read without spell. Da do the. Remember one thing, zal will be read without whistle sound with soft voice. Okay, the lu the. Next letter is ra. When ra will have zabar or pesh on it, then you will have to read ra with thicker voice. Okay, ra alif zabar ra. Ra wow pesh ru. Ra ya zeri. Ra ru ri. Next letter is za. Za is superior letter, that's why it will be read with whistle sound. Za alif zabar za. Za wow pesh zu. Za ya zer zi. Za zu zi. Next letter is seen. Seen is superior letter, that's why with whistle sound. And we will read this line without spell. Sa su si. Sha shu shi. Next letter is sod. Sod is superior letter, and we will have to pronounce this letter with whistle sound as well as with thicker voice. Okay, sod alif zabar sa. Sod wow pesh su. Sod ya zer si. Sa su si. Next letter is dod, and we will have to read with thicker voice. ضاد ألف زبر ضا. ضاد واو پیش دو. ضاد يا زير ضي. ضا ضو ضي. Next line will be read without spell. طا طو طي. طا is musta'ali letter, that's why we read it with thicker voice. Next letter is dha. Dha is also musta'aliya and we have to read with thicker voice and without whistle sound. Dha dhu dhi. We are going to read this line with spelling. Ain alif zabar a. Ain waw pesh u. عين جا زرعي. ع عو عي. Next letter is ghain and ghain will be read with thicker voice. Ghain alif zabar gha. Ghain waw pesh ghu. غين جا زير غي. غا غو غي. فا فو في. قا قو قي. Qaf is musta'li letter, that's why we read it with thicker voice. Next line with spelling. Kaf alif zabar ka. Kaf waw pesh ku. Kaf ya zir ki. Ka ku ki. Lam alif zabar lam. لام واو پیش لو. لام جا زیر لی. لا لو لی. Next letter. Ma mu mi. Na nu ni. Next line with spelling. Wow alif zabar wa. Wow wow pesh vu. Wow ya zir wi. Wa vu wi. Ha alif zabar ha. Ha waw pesh hu. Ha ya zir hi. Ha hu hi. Next letter is Hamza, because when Ali will have any sign like harakat or jazm on it, then you will have to pronounce Hamza. If alif doesn't have any sign, then alif can be read alif. Otherwise, if alif has any sign, then you will have to pronounce Hamza. So this alif has vertical zabar on it, so we will read it Hamza. Hamza khada zabar Hamza waw pesh u. Hamza ya zir i. A u e. Next letter is ya. Ya you ye. And we have completed this lesson, alhamdulillah. Tomorrow inshallah we will learn the lesson number 8, inshallah. And if you couldn't understand anything if you are feeling any difficulty in this lesson, you can ask any question by using my WhatsApp. Inshallah, I will give you answer of your question. And if you like this video, then subscribe this channel and share with your family, friends and relatives. We will come in the next class again tomorrow, and remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.